Hey guys, and thanks for clicking on the channel. Okay, we're talking about Nano Dimensions. Gosh, oh my gosh, what a day, what a company. I'm gonna tell you what, there is literally not a better company to make easy money on right now. Let's just go ahead and jump into the chart right here. Look at this chart. I mean, you cannot find a more perfect chart. Look at just the steady increase, decrease, increase, decrease, increase. Buy, sell off, the hold, the sell off, the hold. All of it, it's non-stop. It's perfect. I mean, you literally cannot ask for anything more perfect. And then we go into all the articles about the good news with Nano, and that's what we're going to talk about. We're going to talk about all the good things with Nano, and that's what we're focusing on as investors. Great things with Nano. Not nanny, Nano. So first things first, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Today I put $700 in Nano Dimensions. I already had about 400 in there, and today I put in another 700. And I'm expecting this to give me a huge position in this company in the years to come. Now I'm still sitting under 100 shares, but guys, I'm holding Nano Dimensions for the long run. This company is gonna be a futuristic company, and if you know me, I invest in futuristic companies. I don't invest in things like Walmart. I don't invest in things like Johnson & Johnson. Those are great companies. Those are great stocks. But the juice has been squeezed from those. And that's just boring. I'm not going to invest in those companies. I'm going to take risk. I'm going to be the high roller here. So I pumped 700 more into Nano Dimensions today. And honestly, this is one of my biggest positions in my portfolio besides Plug Power and Tesla. But let's start talking about the good things with Nano Dimension. Let's start talking about the good news that we've heard throughout the past 2 weeks. This is kind of old news at this point, considering this happened like a week or so ago, but ARK Investment made another huge investment into Nano Dimensions on top of what they already had. That's huge, guys. That's huge. And I'm going to tell you something right now. The ARK Investment Fund, Kathy Woods, all those people over there that are in charge, that whole company over there, I pay attention to anything they do. I'm going to tell you that right now. I'm on their newsletter. I'm in their business. When they do something, when they make a move, they talk about something, I'm reading it, I'm watching it. And why am I doing that? They're going after companies that are going to bring them huge gain, and that's what I want. I've got a dream to retire in my 40s, and I'm going to go after companies that have not been squeezed to their full potential. And Nano Dimensions, man, it's just the start. This thing has not been squeezed yet. We're just seeing investors come in. We're just seeing large portions of shares being bought up. A lot of people are talking about Nano Dimensions right now because I am a firm believer with a lot of you that this is going to be a $100 stock by this time next year. I firmly believe that. I really do. So I've been looking at articles about Nano Dimension, and that's really where you find your hot stories. That's really where you find the gossip and what's going on. You can always go to the company's website, but you're always going to usually find positive things on their website. So I always try to look for the double-edged sword. But honestly, looking up Nano Dimension news, there's not a lot of bad news. Look at this article I found right here. It makes sense the company will need cash. However, I can't recall the last time I saw a company pull off seven direct offerings in 4 months. Read that again. The company is averaging almost 2 offerings per month. Guys, that's crazy. If you don't think this company's gonna keep going up, you're blind. I'm trying to be nice here and all my words here, I'm trying to be nice to you, but for people that are still doubting this, man, the writing's on the wall right here. This is easy money we're looking at right here. The first offering was small, but they've progressively grown. In 4 months, Nano Dimension will have raised $1 billion in cash. Holy snikes, that's more than twice the market cap of a few months ago. In the past month alone, Nano has priced out $762.5 million, an amount roughly the same as its market cap from a month ago. Guys, that's crazy talk. That's crazy talk. This little company, this little stock right here that was $2 a share just months ago, just a spitball month ago, is bringing out crazy numbers. Why do you think the stock is going up so much? The stock is going up so much because people see something taking off right now. They don't want to miss what's going on right now. And I'm a firm believer that you're going to be paying $50 a share from Nano Dimensions here real soon. And Nano Dimensions might not even be worth $50 a share at that particular time when you're paying it, especially if it's in a month or two. But what you're going to be paying the $50 for, you're going to be paying to be a part of this. You're going to be paying for it because you didn't buy in sooner. That's what you're going to be paying for. And this is where you look at stocks and go, well, that's not fair. Yeah, it's not fair. It's just like Tesla. Is it fair that you're paying almost $900 a share? Is the company even worth that? No and no. But yes, Yes, when you're looking into a futuristic stock price, you're looking into 5 to 10 years from now. You're looking into Nano Dimensions when they take over the market in 3D printing. You're looking at Nano Dimensions when they take over the market in whatever else new product they develop this year, next year. Just like how we look at Tesla now as not just a car maker, it's a tech company, guys. You invest in Tesla because they're killing it with the cars, but you're also investing into Tesla because of what they have in the pipeline. And you have Elon Musk attached to it, so that makes a huge difference. Let's read this next little part. While this may come across as though I'm negative on management or the company, that's not the case. Nano Dimension has been able to raise $1 billion against virtually zero debt. This provides the company a huge cash runway to recover from COVID. I'm gonna tell you right now, there's not a lot of companies that they're saying they're recovering right now. It's complete opposite. I will tell you that right now. There's a lot of companies where this is not the normal talk. It's usually the complete opposite. No cash on hand, having a very tough year. 2020 was terrible because of COVID. But guys, Nano Dimension is still a very small company. This is not a big company at all. One of the biggest risks right now with Nano Dimensions is that it's a very small company. They're still trying to get their 3D printers into a bigger market. And honestly, 3D printing is still in an early stage if you really think about it. I would still say roughly, if you pick 10 people, 6 to 7 people might even know about 3D printing and honestly be able to somewhat explain it to you on a kindergarten level. And I don't mean that to be mean, I'm just saying a lot of people still don't really even know what 3D printing is. But guys, like always, I'm just telling you what I'm doing. I do not want to peer pressure anybody into buying anything. Please do your own research. Think about what you want to invest in. There's other great companies besides Nano Dimension, but Nano Dimension is doing great things right now. I see very fast big gains coming to us who invest in Nano Dimensions very fast, and I feel very comfortable with my money, very large portions of money in this. And the other little secret about this, Biden is a big tech guy, and like I've said before, whether you voted for Biden or not, as investors, I think it's very important to go with the time. I don't think there's a lot of people investing in the gas stocks right now. So me, being an investor that goes with the times, things you're going to want to invest in, tech companies, EV companies, medical companies, cannabis companies. These are things the Biden administration is really pushing and is really going to hype on, at least these next 4 years while that office is still going. But guys, like always, be positive, be you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you're having a great day. I really mean that. If you can please hit that like button, subscribe, become a friend, let's talk. And just thank you guys so much for being so good, so positive to me, and telling me about all these other companies that I've been checking out. I'm really just having a blast, man. But guys, God bless you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.